Most of the foods we know as superfoods might be killing you slowly. The foods we were told are superfoods may not be as super good as you think, and that includes your fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains. There are a lot of foods that are really good for you, but they still need to be consumed in moderation. Before we dive in, we'd appreciate greatly if you'd smash the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can continue bringing you great value. Now let's get back to unmasking the truth behind these so-called superfoods. First up, let's talk about fruits. While they're commonly perceived as superfoods, some may not live up to the hype. Fruits like apples, bananas, and strawberries, though delicious, are packed with fructose that contributes to obesity. Instead, consider opting for fruits with a sour taste. Darker berries and crab apples are a much healthier option. They contain less sugar and are rich in healthy polyphenol. As a matter of fact, dark-skinned berries such as blueberry, cranberry, boysenberry, and elderberry can have as much as 50% more antioxidants compared to their lighter-colored cousins. Green bananas and avocados are also excellent choices, being low in sugar and high in gut-healthy resistant starches. Next, we'll look at vegetables, nuts, beans, and grains. Ever heard of lectins? Lectins are proteins found in many plant foods that can cause gastrointestinal distress, interfere with nutrient absorption, and potentially trigger autoimmune reactions in sensitive individuals. Continue watching as later we'll break down the foods high in lectin that you should try to avoid, or if you can't, limit consumption at all costs. Let's explore the vegetable hierarchy. Dark leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, mushrooms, leeks, and onions are your best bet for a healthy diet. On the flip side, certain vegetables mentioned earlier like potatoes, tomatoes, eggplants, and peppers, especially bell peppers, may not be the healthiest choices due to lectins and glycoalkaloids. The glycoalkaloids in these nightshade vegetables attack cell membranes and may cause digestive discomfort. Cooking at high temperatures can help reduce lectin levels, but some people may still be more susceptible to its negative effects. For those with leaky gut or autoimmune issues, limiting intake of lectin-rich foods is advised. However, it's important to note that most healthy individuals do fine with moderate amounts of lectin-containing whole foods. Moving on to grains, beans, and legumes, the lectin-rich offenders. While they're often staples in our diets, it's crucial to consume them in moderation. Opt for healthier alternatives like millet and sorghum, which have lower lectin content compared to cereals, rice, pasta, and bread. Nuts can be a mixed bag. Cashews and peanuts, being high in lectins, should be eaten sparingly. On the flip side, walnuts, macadamia nuts, Brazil nuts, and pistachios are packed with healthy fats, protein, and beneficial fiber. And there you have it. The truth about superfoods that may not be as super as they seem. Remember, in everything, balance is key. Before you go, please treat yourself to the awesome products listed in the description. There is a special discount on the 4-piece collection. Also, remember to check out the other content on our channel and see you in the next one. Until then, keep your fork healthy and stay happy.